Hey Matt, how's our last day in Monterey?
Our last day in Monterey is going to be a good day.
Whoa, you love your bagel? No, what'd you get?
No, this is a burrito, an egg burrito.
Is it good?
All these monster birds.
Give them a
All
little.
these monster birds are wanting to bite. Do I give them a piece?
Yeah. They're huge.
I'll share a little bit with them. Oh, thing almost took my finger off.
Wow, they're big. Be careful. Ooh, they're fighting over your piece. Give them more. Wow, he's going to eat it right out of your hand. Matt, I think you're going to lose your whole burrito. They just took it all. Oh my gosh.